To turn on Google Assistant in OnePlus 13, first let's open a settings on our device. Then we can scroll down and look for the Google right here on the bottom. Select all services and then search Assistant and Voice. Now we can enter Google Assistant, and right here we want to scroll down looking for Assistant, Digital Assistant from Google. If you select that, then make sure that your Google Assistant is active. Now we can go back and actually find a way to call out our Google Assistant. As Hey Google is currently not available, we'll need to move to System and Update, System Navigation, and then in the buttons you'll be able to activate Digital Assistant from Google by performing something like that. Or just swipe from the left corner or right corner like this. Or alternatively, we can move to the accessibility and convenience and then find a gestures and motions, and inside we should be able to find a Google Assistant. If not here, then it should be in the power button functions. So here's the power button, and we can assign the press and hold the power button for Digital Assistant. If you hold it, then your Google Assistant will pop up. And that is basically everything.